Come with me to the next apartment tour. Hi, my name is Lika and my husband and I are looking for a new apartment. We want to upgrade from a 1-bedroom to a 2-bedroom, and this is one of the apartments we took a look at. This particular one felt more like a loft than an apartment, so I really liked that one on pictures when I saw it online. And when we stepped in, I immediately was like, wow, the ceilings are so high and this is so nice. I love high ceilings. The kitchen looked very nice, and then we went around the corner. You have the washer and dryer, and this is the first bedroom, and it has a bathroom attached with a shower. Very nice. I was just missing the closet, and this is all of the closet, and I was like, where is the rest of it? So I went upstairs and checked out the second bedroom, and this is it. And it also has a bathroom attached with another shower and another tiny closet. So I was a little disappointed, but send me a message if you want to know which apartment that was.